Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, we're gonna talk about Ever-Gotesco Resources and Holdings Incorporated. Yung stock code nila is Ever. So this month lang, grabe yung pag-pump ng prices ng Ever-Gotesco. So kung fina-follow nyo ako sa mga social media platform ko, nagpo-post kasi ako doon nung parang statistics or like kung ano yung lagay ng pag-close ng PSEI. And then sa BPI trade kasi nakikita doon yung worst losers and then yung big winners for the day. And then lagi ko nakikita itong Ever. Like lagi siyang nasa biggest winner and then lagi siya nasa worst loser. Like parang every other day nagpapalit lang siya. So syempre ako naman iniisip ko lang pinaglalaroan lang to ng traders. However, exception ito nung nag-start yung June. So as you can see here nung April to May, like steady lang naman yung price niya. Like yes, merong mataas, merong mababa, pero hindi katulad nito nitong nangyari for June. Ayun nga, napansin ko na bakit sobrang nagpa-pump yung prices ito. And then I investigated like briefly kasi hindi rin naman ako like interested to buy Ever-Gotesco kasi they're not making money first off. So I'm never gonna buy a business that doesn't make any money. Unless like tech stock yan na nasa US, like sabihin natin example is yung kay Peter Thiel, yung Palantir. So yes, they're not making that much money historically, pero maganda yung potential growth nila in the future. However, yung Ever-Gotesco, it's sort of like almost a dead business, kumbaga. So yung price movement talaga ng mga stock nila is ang dahilan lang ay pinaglalaroan siya ng mga traders, ng mga day traders, okay? Pero itong recent pump na ito, hindi lang ito dahil sa mga day traders, So I think nag-buy-in din yung mga institutions kasi merong nabalita na magkakaroon ng parang merger and acquisition. Meron silang plano na gawing ganong merger and acquisition itong Ever-Gotesco, pero hindi pa siya confirmed, So ngayon i-check natin yung disclosure na binigay ng company na to ng Ever-Gotesco sa PSE dahil dun sa unusual price movement nila nung June 7. So start first week pa lang to ng June, So ayan, yung subject dito, unusual price movement from 19 centavos to 29 centavos. So 10 centavos agad yung nag-gain. So ang sabi dito, we wish to inform you that the company has no knowledge of any information that caused the increase in share price. Please see attached written statement under oath. So pagka download nyo yung attachment na yun, ito lang yung makikita nyo. So same thing lang din dun sa nakalagay sa disclosure sa PSE Edge. Kapag doon nyo tinignan, ito syempre like document, official document lang to for formality purposes, something like that. So kung ako yung tatanungin nyo, itong movement na to, June 7. Kasi like from 56 million na volume, 56.53 million na volume, and then the next day, like wala namang catalyst for like this move. Tumaas siya to 276.41 million. So ako isipin ko na hindi pinaglalaroan to ng traders. Pero like etong pump na ito from June 7 until dito na reach yung top, So almost 75 centavos yung nakuha. So yung highest was around 74 centavos. So June 18. So this continued for about a week and a half. So for like 11 days. And then syempre ma-minus mo yung weekends. So kung walang catalyst itong like price movement na ito, ang isa mo lang iisipin is yes, pinaglalaro siya ng traders. However, yung isang possibility is merong insider trading na nangyayari. Paano nga ba nangyayari yung insider trading? Well, if merong isang tao dito sa company na ito, or like kahit anong company, kung meron isang company doon na nagtatrabaho within the company and then nakakakuha siya ng mga information, ng mga dapat confidential na information, like from the board, from the executives, and like from other teams, kung ano ba yung mga plano nila in the future. And then, ginagamit nila yung information na yun, to trade yung stocks ng companies na yun. So, syempre, meron siyang unfair advantage, kumpara sa mga retail traders, kahit nga mga institutional traders, mga institutional investors. Magkakaroon yung mga insider traders na yun ng unfair advantage. Kasi, di ba tayo, normal lang tayo na tao, di ba? We just rely sa mga disclosures na ito, sa mga financial statements, sa mga annual reports, mga quarterly reports na binibigay ng mga public companies na ito. And then syempre sila, in advance nila nakukuha, no, yung mga information na yun. So, that is considered as insider trading na. Tinitake advantage mo yung privilege na information para kumita while trading the stock of that particular company. And within that time frame, no, nag-pump, isa lang yung binigay nila na statement doon sa unusual price movement. Nung sobrang tumaas pa talaga lalo, no, hindi na sila nagbigay ng kahit ano pang like disclosure sa PSE. Which is, for me, no, it's a bit weird. Well, yes, pwedeng sabihin nila na hindi, momentum lang yan, no? Siguro nagba-buy-in lang yung nagba-buy-in lang yung mga traders. So, natural lang yan na na kumbaga reaction ng market. Well, for me, I disagree. And then, ayun nga, di ba, lumabas yung quarterly report nila and annual report nila at the same time, which is not really that impressive. So, pagka titingnan nyo, so, ito is fiscal year ended December 31, 2020. Meron silang retained. Ito pa lang, no? Kitang-kita mo na agad. Meron silang retained deficit. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Hindi kumikita lately, no? Yung company. Kasi meron silang, kumbaga, di ba, sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, yung retained earnings is, kumbaga, ipon. Ipon ng company. Ito naman, ito yung lugi na ng company so far. And this is not a small number. This is 4.6 billion pesos. Right? And then, yes, medyo kumita naman sila nung 2020 around 248 million pesos compared dun sa losses nila nung 2019 na 935, almost a billion pesos, 935 million pesos. So, this is a welcome sign. No? This is a good sign. However, hindi to kumbaga parang sustainable for them. Kasi kapag tingnan mo yung quarterly report nila for March 31, 2021, first quarter ng taon na ito, so, syempre, meron pa rin silang retained deficit, which is around 4.6, halos hindi nagbago. 4.6 billion pa rin. Kasi nag-incur sila ng losses for this first quarter. Although, hindi ganun kalaki, no? Nasa 535,000 lang. Yes, 535,000. So, 500,000 lang. And then, kapag compare mo, nung 2020, nasa 852,000 yung losses nila for that first quarter. So, ibig sabihin, hindi talaga gano'ng kaganda, no? Yung business. And then, ito pa yung weird, no? Wala silang gross revenue. So, wala talaga silang parang pinagkukuhanan like, ng kita. So, siguro, nagkakaroon lang sila ng, okay, yeah, wala talaga. Expenses lang pala yung nandito, no? So, I'm not sure kung, I'm really puzzled, no? And ako personally, for me, I haven't hindi pa naman nagdi-deep dive na sa business ng Ever-Gotesco. I'm not even sure what they do. Alam ko lang na Ever-Gotesco is like yung sa mall, no? Like dito sa QC, but I'm not sure if meron silang ibang malls around the Philippines, around Metro Manila. But ayun, wala silang kahit anong revenue, zero. And then meron silang gross expense na, which is yung total losses nila for the first quarter of 2021. And in turn, no, kahit na hindi sila kumikita, wala silang kahit anong revenue, wala silang cash flow, na-achieve nila yung 52-week high recently, which is, 74 centavos per share. And yes, medyo nag-correction na siya, nagkaroon ng correction, but medyo tumaas na ulit siya today and yesterday. So, haba ng candle dito. So, nasa 57 centavos na siya nagte-trade. Nakita nyo naman dito, nag-open today at 50 centavos, then nag-close at 57. But again, I'm really puzzled why an investor will buy this company. Kasi ito pa lang pakita na it's not really a good company and wala kang revenue. That doesn't make any sense. Kasi kapag business ka, mahalaga yung cash flow. Mahalaga yung future cash flow, no? And yes, nagpa-play ng part itong next natin i-discuss. Ito, meron silang clarification of news report about nga dun sa merger and acquisition. So ito, meron silang clarification of the news reports, no? Binigyan nila itong disclosure nito back in June 23. So about a week ago. So yan, clarification and or confirmation on the news article that came out on BizBuzz column on theinquirer.net nung araw na yun, June 23. Ang sabi dun sa tawag dito, dun sa article, takeover target, yun yung headline. As yun nga, yung sources BizBuzz column on theinquirer.net. So, ang sabi nila, clarification of the news report. We write in relation to your letter seeking clarification and or confirmation on the news article that came out in BizBuzz column of theinquirer.net noong June 23, which reads in part as follows. So, ito, no? Ang sabi dun sa article na yun, takeover target. In the last few weeks, Ever-Gotesco Resources and Holdings Incorporated has seen extraordinary trading in the stock market on the speculation that this long-struggling company could be in a merger and acquisition target. So, M&A, no? So, parang sasagipin siya nung kumbaga mag-acquire na company. And then, I'm not sure kung anong gagawin nila, but, marami nang nangyaring ganito in the past. The names of the three conglomerates floated in the market recently, one of which is a big group that had bought some shopping mall assets from this group in the past, while another is a group whose principal stockholders are in loss of one scion of Ever. The third rumored White Knight is a group with interest in agriculture that is said to be hatching a joint venture deal. And then, in turn, ang sinabi nitong company ng Ever-Gotesco, we wish to inform you that Ever-Gotesco Resources and Holdings Incorporated has no knowledge on what was reported on the news article. Yun ang sabi nila, yun yung official statement nila. While it is true that we are exploring all opportunities that could spring back Ever into active business operations, these are all preliminary. So, wala pang kumbaga final decision, no? Yes, parang nasa middle no yung answer nila. Hindi yes, hindi no. Ina-acknowledge sila no na they're somewhat exploring that option no na magkaroon ng merger and acquisition. Syempre para maging profitable ulit itong business na ito, which is kind of dying na the past couple of years. And sabi nila, please be assured that at the appropriate time, when the options are clearer, we shall be disclosing promptly to the PSE. However, yun nga, di ba? Yung stock prices movement is, it's weird. Kasi kung walang nangyayari behind the scenes, that won't really happen. And hindi sobrang tataas ng volume ng trading for this particular stock, right? And then next up nating i-review, hindi na natin i-deep dive din, no? Integrated Annual Corporate Governance Report. Kasi it's pretty boring. Pero ito yung gusto ko i-highlight, no? So, additional recommendation to Principle 2. Ano ba yung Principle 2 nila? Balikan natin yung Principle 2 nila. Okay, medyo mahaba. So, let's just scroll up. I forgot. Okay, ito. The fiduciary roles, responsibilities, and accountabilities of the board as provided under the law, the company's articles and bylaws, and other legal pronouncements and guidelines should be clearly made known to all directors as well as to stockholders and other stockholders. Then yes, merong mga na-comply, merong mga not complied, pero ito yung kumbaga parang gusto ko i-highlight kasi medyo weird din siya na wala pa silang ganito. Additional recommendation to Principle 2. Board has a clear insider trading policy, not complied. And then yung notes nila dito, the company is currently drafting its insider trading policy. Kailan pa sila nagtitrade sa PSE? Silipin natin. So, yung listing date ng Ever-Gotesco was back in September 16, 1996. Gano'n nakatagal yun? Halos sa tanda ko yan. So, 24 years. Going 25 na kasi 2021 na. I'm 25 years old and I'm gonna turn 26 this year. But yeah, ang tagal na nilang nakalist sa PSE and then wala silang parang kumbaga rule no for insider trading or kumbaga parang memo or whatever kung anong pwede nilang i-apply. For me, that is a bit weird. And syempre, since they are, kumbaga, hindi naman nila in-acknowledge, no? But I believe in the background, they're in the talks of some sort of merger and acquisition para nga, maging profitable ulit itong company na ito and I don't know, maging holdings company lang sila or whatever. Mag-acquire sila ng na ibang businesses or i-acquire sila ng mas malaki pang business para, they can turn things around. Pero that's why they're doing this, no? That's why they have this. And yeah, syempre, sino ba namang malaking company magugusto yung i-acquire itong not really profitable na business and then wala silang mga ganitong clear na policy, no? Insider trading policy. I think for me, no? Personally for me, that's very important. Alright, so now, magiging sustainable ba itong pag-akyat ng Ever-Gotesco? Personally, for me, I don't think so. unless like yung mag-acquire sa kanila no is like kilalang conglomerate. Then like for example no yung sa ASEN, di ba? When Ayala took over that company like from FINMA, they turned things around like completely. And then ngayon isa na sa parang leading companies no sa green energy companies itong ASEN. So currently maganda yung standing, and then kung dati pa lang nakabili ka na no nung stocks ng ASEN nung hindi pa sila ASEN mismo, I think ang laki na nung profit mo. And then lalo na 'di ba sumabay pa itong pandemic last year. So parang naging catalyst din 'yun no para sobrang bumaba yung stock prices. Well, lahat naman ng stock prices sa stock market. And if nakapag-entry ka at that time for that company, I think ang laki na no nung profits mo. But when it comes to Ever, yes, there's a possibility no na maging sustainable itong stock prices na ito, and like mas tumaas pa siya. Lalo na nga kapag na-announce na nila no yung like kahit plans pa nga lang to merge with another company, another like big company, another conglomerate na i-absorb itong company na ito, and then they will potentially turn things around. Then yes, maging magandang catalyst yun for this particular stock, but it's still a bit risky. And lalo na ngayon no na a month ago they're just trading at around 17 centavos. Dito may naglow pa 13 something. Then historically hindi naman talaga ganun kalakas no and kataas yung trading volume nitong stock na ito. And then you can see here, kita niyo naman yung graph. Like ang taas talaga ng volume on this particular day. Siyempre nag-start ng June 7, and then I don't know, siguro natunugan na ng ibang institutions, ng ibang, siyempre nadamay pa yung mga retail traders. And then ayun. And then siyempre dito no, kita nyo naman ang taas din ng trading volume, 511 million. So ang dami take profit on this day, June 21. Like dito parang nagkahiyaan pa no. Dito maas around 74 centavos, and then yung mga nakapagbenta at 70%, tapos congratulations sa inyo, magaling kayong traders. Dito no, syempre dito medyo nagkaroon ng konting panic kasi ang haba ng candle di ba? Kumbaga may mga ibang may mga iba nagbenta na rin. Then dito syempre may mga nagtry ulit mag-entry, and then yun, kumbaga naging profitable ka na ulit kapag nasa present day na tayo. So yun, yun yung take ko about this. Ako personally, for me, I wouldn't touch this stock kasi I'm all for the stock na maganda yung fundamentals, and I don't know, ang daming red flag nitong Ever-Gotesco and hindi maganda yung fundamentals sila. But yes, magiging magandang catalyst talaga, and I think magiging optimistic ako for this stock kapag nagkaroon ng magandang merger and acquisition. But still, it's a bit fishy na ganito yung nangyayari sa trading nila, and baka parang parang bull trap lang. Paano kung hindi natuloy yung merger and acquisition? Like, paano kung like after a few months, like it just dies down and then wala talaga nangyari? Kasi wala naman talaga confirm yung Ever, di ba? Na magkakaroon ng ganong klaseng agreement with another company. So yeah, we're not sure. But if you can take on that risk, well, like, go have at it. Like sige, bumili ka ng Ever-Gotesco, but make sure that your mindset is like parang wala na yung pera mo na yun na ininvest mo to this particular stock or this particular company. Kasi yes, sobrang taas talaga ng risk. If for me personally, yun yung opinion ko but again, this is not financial advice. Opinion ko lang to, and I'm just letting you guys know of my thoughts about this matter. Alright, so ito. Nasa number 2 spot na naman ng biggest winner si Ever-Gotesco today. So up siya ng 15.15%. So kung day trader ka you're having a field day for sure. Kasi kung kahapon ka lang bumili, nag-earn ka na agad ng 15.15%. So if kung you're feeling dangerous nag-invest ka ng 1M dito sa stock na to yesterday, and then nagbenta ka dito at around 57 centavos, kumita ka na agad ng 150k, around 150k, like minus taxes and all the fees. But yeah, again, yung risk is andyan. So expect na in the next couple of days, in the next couple of weeks even, or even months na magiging sobrang volatile talaga nitong prices ng Ever. And ayun nga, wala namang masyadong update din itong Ever with like yung merger and acquisition. So we don't really know. We're like in the dark unless you're you're kind of an insider na dun sa company. For sure, marami kang alam. But yeah, if you're just a normal retail trader, retail investor, we don't know much and we just rely dito sa mga binibigay na information sa atin ng PSE and like ng company mismo. So yeah, just if you're gonna like ride this stock, just be cautious and yun nga, just invest or trade money that you're kind of willing to lose. And yun, pwede ka naman mag-set ng what they call this, ng stop loss or ng cut loss if you're like betting on this horse on this particular stock na hindi naman talaga guaranteed. So yeah, just set your stop losses para hindi kayo like sobrang matalo ng malaki if ever man. But yeah, I hope na you win pa rin. Alright, that's it guys. End na natin yung episode here. Sana may natutunan kayo and if fumbled kayo at the end of this video, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. Help me grow the channel by smashing the like button kasi sobrang nakatulong yun sa YouTube algorithm. And if you're new, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell para wala kang ma-miss out sa mga uploads ko every Monday and Friday, sometimes Wednesday. Follow me na rin sa mga social media platforms ko, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at MNPSPH. I post there daily. Another way to support the channel is through the YouTube membership. Click nyo lang yung link dyan sa description sa baba to know more about it. Thanks again for watching and listening everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you all in the next episode. Always remember, be Peso Smart.